That's all they can do.
Pero yung, kasi naka-already failed ka in interviews. Sa tingin mo ba maganda yun for your body career? Lalo na with
I mean, for me, it doesn't matter if it's comedy or sexy or drama or thriller or suspense. If you know, if you're an artist, an actor, I think if you want to be a better actor, you have to experience all this. So as long as yung script may laman, mas maganda yung story, I'm gonna get better.
Pero what if in a launching film, bigyan ka ng chance, ano yung parang iniisip mo na launching movie mo? If one of these days,
Launching movie.
you never know.
I can't tell eh. I can't tell kasi I enjoy doing comedy and I also enjoy doing drama. And sa show na ginagawa ko, heavy drama siya na nagiging baliw-baliw na rin na mapinsan. So, it depends.
Pero you're aware naman na most people, ang tingin sa'yo is somebody na very sexy. And ano yun?
Okay, thank you. Okay, I don't know. Sa kanila na yun.
How do you react when you get comments like that? Siyempre sa mga sa Instagram,
Instagram, of course. We are paid to look good. It's our job to look good. So, kailangan. And I think that's seriously. I take my job seriously. So, yun lang.
May mga times ba na-offend ka rin sa kanila, sa mga sinasabi nila?
Ay, yung mga perverted people, wala. Deadma lang. Mga ganun talaga. Deadma lang.
So, what's the worst thing pwede mong gawin? If in case masyado yung nag-put sa wall, ano mo yun, yung mga comments na sometimes
So, about,
mga pervert?
no, if it's just about me, wala naman akong pakialam eh. Sanay na ako eh. But there was one time na, remember, I'm from Cebu. Nung nag-earthquake eh, tapos parang sabi, dapat lang mamatay kayong lahat. Siyempre, galit na galit ako. Rinipost ko yung comment niya, kasi inaway siya diba. You don't much feel upon people. That's not right. Yeah. Pero if tungkol sa akin lang, if you say negative things about me, it doesn't really affect me.
Are you aware na most, yung mga karamihan sa mga actors natin, yung mga bagong actors, or even yung mga veteran actors, they find you very sexy?
I don't know, but I don't find myself sexy at all. Sa bahay, parang lang yung batang yagit. Image ko lang ito, image lang yan.
Pero when they say that, isa ka sa mga laging nasa top list nila, yung sexiness, anong take mo doon?
Thank you, I got it from my mama.
Ano yun? Bakit?
Nagmana ko sa mommy ko, I guess.
Pero ano rin ba? May downside ba? Yung ganun lagi ang tingin sa'yo? As if sexy ka na lang? All that?
Hindi ko naman talaga iniisip na sexy ako or hindi. Wala lang talaga akong pakialam. Okay, if you think I'm sexy, then good. If not, then okay lang din.
Pero wala pa naman ng bastos, quote unquote.
Bastos, pero...
Sino naman mo, how do you maintain your
I work out a lot. The thing is, I've been active since I was 3. Ballet ako, nag-gymnast ako for 6 years. And my mom enrolled me in karate. And then I participated in sports, high school. Volleyball, soccer, baseball, and baseball. So active na talaga ako every day.
What gave you the idea na magpabalik-balik na lang from Cebu to here? Di ba nagkaroon ka?
What do you mean? Ano?
Di ba sa Cebu ka na usually nag-stay? Don't just come here pag...
No. Ngayon, dito na talaga ako nag-base na I'm doing a soap also, di ba? Tagal-tagal ko na hindi nakapag-December. So, I've been here, I've been based here for 4 years. And then, pabalik-balik lang if I have time.
Sa FHM naman, they're doing the, di ba? Yung survey.
I ako, wala na ako, give up na ako sa FHM na yun. I'm so over it already.
Talaga, ayaw na lang. Ano kung invitean ko ulit?
Ha?
Invitean ko ulit nila.
Anak na.
Anak na, bakit? What's the reason behind?
My manager has goals and plans, so I think we have to stick to that.
Okay. So, dito naman sa film, how's, Pok Wang and Sunshine?
Nakakatawa. Nakakatawa kasi ginawa namin yung spoof ng Legal Wife, yung The Rage ba yun, yung Rage of Paradise. Ang hirap maging galit kasi yung eksena ko parang nakakatawa lang talaga. So, yun. Pero yung favorite, mamamiss ko to kasi sobrang happy kami. Sobrang light, kahit na mag-pack up kami ng 6 a.m. Kahit pagod ka, tawa pa rin.